employer of Tulpieskraal boerdery and a beneficiary of Tulpieskraal Workers Trust. I started work here at 2005 till now. I'm working still here on the farm. And we are 38 beneficiaries. This time of year, it's harvesting time, and we harvest the fruit this time, and they comes from the orchard to the pack shed, and we pack the fruit here, and they are going overseas markets. And when it's dry season, till June, from June till December, and we are pruning the trees. And when it's, the apple starts to form on the trees, we are turning the apples on the trees, and there's put chemicals on the trees, fertilizers, so that the trees can be ready for next year harvest time. We have our markets. It's for picking the fruit. It's Safe Pro, overseas marketing, Safe Pro, and then it's through Cape. I was there on the award show in PE. Didn't expect to win, but we win the show, the prize. We was very glad to receive that voucher. We buy chemicals and fertilizer for the trees. From the Department of Agriculture, we received pruning shears, king bags, orchard sprayer, production inputs, chemicals, fertilizer we received from them, and step ladders and nail net structure.